Hey everybody, welcome to Day Trading Radio, and I'm DayTraderRockStar, trying out some new software, but also bringing you a reminder that we have a great, always running open house. There's a 10-day trial here at Day Trading Radio where you get to explore and try everything that Day Trading Radio has to offer. So I was going to run through this. This is our dashboard right now, and believe it or not, it is. It's about 10 o'clock here in the evening on a Wednesday evening, and lots of times we'll be doing trading overnight. So if you enjoy trading futures, options, stocks, we specialize in all three of those. We do not do the forex. It's just that we have a good system, good methodology that works on, and we have enough to do. Right now, there's a automated trading bot that trades overnight, and I like to just track that and follow that and take the trades with it. So that's actually happen to catch that live right now, which is a live trade going on right now. What else we have here? This is our dashboard actually. The dashboard has our news squawk, S&P pressure gauge. We do play music on the show in the morning and on breaks and stuff. So you have your music list, and here's all your alerts, all your live trade alerts. As a member of Day Trading Radio, you get all the research, you get all the trade alerts instantaneously sent to you. So anything, and again, this new bot channel that you're going to be seeing coming, that's right down here. If you actually click on your dashboard, you click down on the bottom here, you will see that bot come up. Right now I'm showing it on the main page, but there's two pages. So watch this. I just clicked on that. Give it a second to load up. And once that loads up, the bot channel will just show up right here. And then when you see that here, you can actually switch these back and forth and make it a large screen like this. And you can see that right now this is kind of what's going on right now. You can escape to go off of that. Go back. You can see on the bottom here, there's the thing. So you can make that bigger. You can actually pull this out if you right click on it, and you could actually picture in picture right here. You could actually grab that and move it wherever you want on your screens, and then make it so it's really, really handy to be able to do that. Then we have our algorithms, trading the markets. We have our partner group, but a lot of it comes with the education, the weekly education, everything that's available. And I just want to let you know that check it out. Check out the site. If you go to the outside of the site, go to Day Trading Radio. I'll show you where to sign up here. Just go to DayTradingRadio.com. And let's get that up here. And when you go there, you'll see the 10-day trial right here. No credit card needed at all. Just scroll right down to the bottom here. Click on register. Put in your username, your email address. It already says I'm already a user. Pick a password and send it in. You'll get a confirmation email telling you how to, with your you have your password, just approving you, and then you could just get on board, get in the room. Definitely check out the chat room. So we have a lot of traders in the chat room during the day, especially during the morning. We also have a lot of other things going. We have the tradeometer. There's a lot of features I'm not even going to cover in this video, and that's the important thing about trying to take that trial. 10 days, get to use it all, see how you like it. All right. So and it's coming up to Easter, so we got a shortened week, but I want to get this out to you and wish everyone a merry Easter. Almost like Christmas, but it's a happy Easter. All right. So happy Easter, and we'll see you here at Day Trading Radio.